Why does your scanner show the P2716 engine code? What does it mean? P2716 is a diagnostic trouble code for pressure control solenoid D electrical. This engine code indicates that PCM or TCM has detected an issue with the electrical circuit controlling the D pressure control solenoid within the transmission system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: low transmission fluid, faulty solenoid, contaminated fluid, wiring problems, PCM failure, TCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can be found in many vehicles with OBD2 systems and automatic transmissions. It is commonly found in Honda, Toyota, Ford, GM, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.